Question, 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 question. As we draw nearer and nearer to the Racers Grand Prix coming up this Saturday, the event that is being dubbed Salute to the Legend. My question is, or better yet, my questions are, what kind of shape is the legend Usain Bolt in for this big farewell salute? And put it even further, what kind of shape will the legend be in for the even bigger international farewell at the London World Championships in August? I mean, the legend has not raced seriously all season, except for a few recreational races down under. Plus, we understand that he has missed a couple crucial weeks of training and a sympathy break because of the tragedy involving his close friend. So all things considered, the world is not standing still. And while we can set up the race at the Racers Grand Prix and put the Maverick and some more non-runners in the field, and the big man will just win and wave to the crowd and ray and tear. But when it comes to the World Championships, every little sprinter from every corner of the globe are come to get stripes by beating Usain Bolt. And look, I am not doubting the big man. Me learned my lesson from 2015. But what would the Maverick be without asking these questions? So days before the Racers Grand Prix and approximately 8 weeks before the World Championships, I have to ask the question again. What kind of shape is the legend Usain Bolt in? Email me at www.maverick.com before Saturday. I want the answer. Thank you.